this paper 2022 May-June summer paper, and now we are doing paper 3-2. It is web authoring. Okay, so task 1 is evidence document to create. Before that, see here the set of files to be used for coming up web page. Here are the 6 files that you will get in the form of a folder on your desktop in your examination hall. So make sure you have all these files in the folder. Okay, you just compare the question paper to the files in the folder. Fine. Okay, so let's go for the question number 1. So that's task 1. Create a word process document, and where we have to add our details like name, center number, and candidate number, and we have to save that with the name they gave us. Okay, first let's just type in there. Here, go to the top, that's the header. They told us to type in all those values in such a way that all of them appear on every page. So either in header or footer. This is header and this is footer. If you type in there, then only the details will appear on every page. Okay, so let me just type in my name, center, and candidate like this. Okay, even you can just shorten it for simplicity, and then just format it if you want something bigger and bolder. Yeah. Okay, so if you even go to the next page, you will see the, look at that. Yep. Okay, so we have to save this with the name they gave us in the folder, the one you have all your files. For now, just save it there. Here you have to save, and what's the name you have to use, just check there. Here, just copy this from here, and then here paste, and add more to it. That's center number, and the score, candidate number, like this. Save. Now minimize this and keep. That will be used for further tasks. Okay, this is all done. Fine. Now let's go to task 3. We'll continue with, because task 2 is of Excel. Okay, so come down to task 3, file management. Create a new folder called J2232. Just copy the name of the folder, right click, copy, and come to the folder. This is the folder we are in, and here just you can select a folder icon for new folder, or just right click here to get the new folder. Fine, just paste the name what you brought from there. This is the folder name here, it's created. Now locate the following files and store them in your this folder. So these 3, 2 pictures and 1 HTML. Okay, so let's get them. We have 3 files. Yep, see this one, just pull down like this and drag to the folder. Okay, pull down and drag, and the last one is this. If you tell me, so here you see 3 files. What here, right? Okay. Now more. Display the contents of your folder folder showing the file name, folder name, file extensions, file sizes, and image dimensions. And then we are supposed to take a screenshot and we have to place it as evidence 1, right? Okay, let's go here. Now I have to add another more details, that's called dimensions here, picture dimensions. Actually they are, yes, this is the one here. See, these are the file names, this is the folder name and type of the file, and also the size of the file. Now here it is dimensions. Okay, let's take the screenshot of it here. You can just go for new and then select and crop like this and copy from here and then come here to paste it. For that, let's type in evidence 1, right? Okay, so I'll just make it something underline as well. Okay, now let me just paste that. Here is 1, and I can just add something, a border to it, something like that. Yep. Okay. Now let's go to the next. It's done. Task 4 now. This is task 4. Here onwards, we're going to create one new style sheet, and here we have lots of styles to mention in that. Okay, now let's go. Here what the set is, you will create a style sheet to be attached to the web page. Yep, we have 3, right? There is a one web page HTML page that we have to attach the coming up style sheet. All color codes must be displayed in hexadecimal. Hex means 6. It's a 6 coded color. Your style sheet must not contain any HTML or the scripting language. Now, the first one is add a comment at the start of the style sheet. As what we have to use in that, we have to use a name, a center number, and candidate number as a comment. Center number, comma, and candidate number. Just shift 8 and a slash. This is called comment. Next, set the font for styles H1, 2, and 3 so that the browser selects and displays the font. The first priority is this one. If this is not available, the second option is Times New Roman. Even if this is not possible or even neither of it is available, let's go for the last one as serif. Okay, so for that we have to take it the new style having 3 here. See, let's go to format, new style. Here you see H1, comma, H2, comma, H3. Fine. Now let's go to the font, and in there select an option which got almost close. The rest we can add them. Here in the first one, I will add the first one over here. The first one, this copy. Just right click, copy, and in the beginning we have to paste. Where here it is. Just give a comma there, and second one is Times New Roman, right? And the third one, if neither of them available, then you can go for the last one, serif. We mentioned like this. Okay, apply. Okay, you see there. Okay, now let's go for the next question there. Set the style H1. Okay, now we are going to work series of headings. There are 3 headings. The first one is H1, the highest size of the text, and the red color, center aligned, and 30 size point font. And H2, black in color, fully justified, and 18 points. H3, smaller to H2, and text is black, left align, and 14 points. Okay, now let's go for it for all these 3. First, format, new style. First one is what? H1, and then that's just go to the font. Font size is how much? 30. It's a points. PT, and color is red, and what else? The text align is right. Hope it's good, right? Yeah. Sorry, center align. Okay. Done. Now next one, again separate style we have to take. And now this time it is H2. Again font size is 18, and the color is black, and the text align is justified. Yeah. Apply. Okay. Now let's go to the third one. What's the third one? H3, black, left 14. Okay, format, new style. Here H3. Again font, and now this time it's 14. It's points. Oh, I didn't take here points. Okay, I will edit that. Again black here. Then the text align is what? Left align. Okay, done. Here see I took here pixel, just change to PT. Okay, now next. Set the table. Now we are going for the table tags. Now all the headings are done, right? 25% from the right margin and of the browser window, and 5% from all margins, all other 3 margins in the sense. Okay, so it is of table tag and of margins, right? Okay, let's go. Format, new style. Here it is table. In this, can you see the box? Yeah. Here, the first, just uncheck this, and the right, the top is 5, and that to be percent, and just apply. Okay, let's start applying. Then right is 25. Sorry, 25%. Apply. Okay, the third one is 5%. Apply. And okay, see ya how it's coming up there. Yeah. Okay, we can just go back here. See, the last one, what we can do is just copy and paste there, and what it should be, the left. Okay, so here all these 4. Next, set the padding for all the table cells to 10 pixels. Padding, it is of td, right? Okay, so format style td, and here box, put it here, padding same for all, something is written just there, just type in there in the top 10, and pixel, make sure of it, apply, okay, look at that. Next, set all the table borders and grid lines so that they're not visible. They are not visible at all. Okay, they don't want the borders and the grid lines not to be visible. For that, what we can do is like here we can just go for two tags like table comma td. Fine. So in this, just go for the border. Here, look at this border, and just keep there just 0. That's it. Okay, not to be visible at all. It's 0 for both of them. For both of them. Fine. Now next, set the background for the web page. Now let's work with the background. That means it is in body tag. Okay, it is in body tag. Okay, so here we have to follow red, green and blue, right? Green and blue, right? Okay, now let's go to the format, new style. It is now body. Okay, now what we have to select is the background. Okay, just pick any color like this, and now set the colors. The first two colors, red is in A. Yep, red DA, and green is 9F, and other one is 25, right? Okay, 9F 25. Look at that. It's something brown color. Fine. Next, this is done. Set the background for the web page to have the image, this logo. Oh, okay. We are going to add the background to it. Here is the background image. Browse. Go to the folder. Here the logo. This is the background. Next, now we have some features to set for the image. For this here, this all. It has to appear. This has to appear only once. Okay, it has to appear only once. Here, background repeat. No repeat. In the top right corner, the position of it is top right corner. See, y-axis shows top or down, here bottom, here this is one, and the x-axis shows what? The right or left or center. Then this 3 order, stick to order. Now in a fixed position so that it will not scroll with the page. In the sense, it has to be fixed. Right? Here. Fixed here. With the width of 200 pixels and height of 150 pixels. This is the width. It's 200 pixels. Right? Pixels. And another one is 150 pixels. Okay, done. Apply. Okay, look at this. Yep. Now, what else we have to do after this? We're done. Save the style sheet in CSS in the same folder with the file name. They gave us a file name here. Then we have to add more details. of it. Then we have to take a screenshot. Now first let's save it. Here is the one. My style sheet is ready. Then file, save as. Go to the folder. Yes, I am in the folder. Is that? And then just paste the name. Also add center underscore the candidate number. Make sure you have the extension .css. Oh, I have it already. Yeah. Now I have to take a screenshot. For that, I have to set it properly so that I can. Oh, where's it gone? So that I can adjust in single page like this. Yeah, I have to get everything in a single page. I guess more is better. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, still it's not coming in a single page. I will just reduce the font size. Yeah. So I have to take the screenshots here. Just click new there and make sure you're covering the name, this name. Okay, copy and we're going to paste as evidence to like this, and just give a border if you want. You can give a border and just add the evidence. Copy paste and just change to there. Okay, this is second evidence. Save it and back here. Okay, this is all done. 20. Open the web page, this HTML file in our folder, and then attach the style sheet, the one we have created. Now let's go to the folder, and this is the one, right? Okay, now let me just go to the file from here. Open. This is the one. We have to attach the style sheet. Okay, just save this one more time and you can just close it. Now I have to go format style, attach stars, that stars and browse. I have to go to mine and open. Yeah. Yeah. Just save one more time. This one we have to save. And what more? Yeah. Set the title of this web page to Tawara. Something is there. Just copy. Select copy, and here it's title. Fine. You can just go to the code or just select page properties here, right click page properties, just click in the open area and then to borrow something here under title. Okay. Okay, then save your web page, did that, and take a copy of your HTML source and place it in evidence document as evidence 3. Okay, now let's do that. Here, just go to the code. Here, the whole thing we have to copy. So Control A to select all and Control C to copy. Right? Now come here. We have to paste that. Here, this is paste. Like that. This one. And we'll give us as well. As you like. Okay. This is the code, and I have to add the evidence. Come down here. Okay, this one is evidence 3. Okay, and also you can highlight the details you have. This one, first one, and wherever you added images and you did some work over there to show the effects. What else? That's it. Okay, done. Save. Back here. Display your web page in browser. Okay, if necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen. The text is easily read and the address bar is visible. Okay, now let's do that. Just go to the folder. You can do like this. You go to the folder, right click. Did you save it once? Okay, let's save it again. One more time. Save. Just save. Simple save. Which is. Okay, go to the folder. Right click and open with. You can just open with Chrome like that. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. This is the final web page. To just get that into one, all the details to be seen as they are. Just can you reduce the font, zoom out. Where is that? Okay. Even you can just resize. Look at that. How I'm resizing. Look at that. Fine. You can do it like this. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Perfect. Okay. So we have to take a screenshot of it as well. Here. That will be evidence 4. Right? This one. Alright. Here, just take this new and fully just move this away for everything, the whole web page. Make sure you're getting the title of it. Title. This is called title. Copy and come here. Last, push the last and paste here. Fine. You can just add some graphics if you want. And here on the top, it should be evidence here. Copy and paste. And this should be the fourth one. Save again. Then you have to send it for printing. Yeah, we're done.